Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So finally moving parts are available in India, and I bought this for 399 rupees. So this is a MRP. So don't buy it from anyone who is selling more than this. So let's go by the order. This is 7 out of 54. So far we have 8 pieces available in India. So this is the first one in that list. So this is a 1957 Ford Country Sedan. So let's unbox this and see how it looks. Okay, so here it is. So the first impressions are like, it is a bit heavy. It's not like a basic Matchbox, basic Hot Wheels or anything. So they still painted the headlights and taillights also painted. But one thing I can say is the paint job is really nice. So this is the movable part here. So you can see the engine detailing here. Here is the bottom part. So the wheels are actually made of plastic, and there are no suspensions in this one. So let's see how it rolls. It rolls really nice. It is a bit smooth, and the wheels doesn't wobble that much. It goes in a straight line as well. So the interior details are actually nice. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.